Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost iPhone while off, instant fix step by step clearly. To find a lost iPhone that is turned off, start by accessing the Find My app on another Apple device or visit iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Once logged in, select the Find iPhone option. You'll see a map with a list of your devices. Look for your lost iPhone in the drop-down list. If it shows as offline, you won't be able to track its real-time location. However, you can enable the Notify Me When Found option. This feature will alert you when your iPhone is powered on and connected to the internet. In addition to this, check if Send Last Location is enabled in your Find My settings. This feature automatically sends the last known location when your iPhone's battery is critically low. If you're unable to locate it through Find My, try recalling the last places you visited. Retrace your steps physically, if possible. Another option is to ask friends or family members nearby if they've seen your device. While searching, consider calling your phone using another device. If someone finds it, they can answer and help you retrieve it. If all else fails, report your lost iPhone to local authorities. Provide them with your phone's serial number for reference. Also, notify your carrier to suspend service to protect your data. Stay vigilant about checking Find My regularly until you receive a notification. Keep in mind, a lost iPhone may eventually turn up in unexpected places. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.